Hi, my name is Sonali and this is Translate.Video. Today I am going to show you how you can transform your YouTube content to Facebook content. Let me tell you a couple of examples as to why you should repurpose your YouTube videos to Facebook content. Videos in Facebook plays in autoplay in the newsfeed, which helps you attract the attention of the users, which can then lead to increased engagement rates. This is the perfect way to get likes, comments and shares. Each social media platform has its own unique demographic. By repurposing your YouTube videos to Facebook, you'll be able to reach a broad and different user base of Facebook. Facebook gives an opportunity to create communities around specific groups and interests. By promoting your videos on this group, you'll be able to garner more viewers. Unlike some platforms where your post gets buried quickly, Facebook helps you keep your post alive a little longer, which can increase its lifespan. Now I'm going to show you how you can resize your YouTube videos so that they fit Facebook perfectly. For that, I'm going to use a tool called Translate.Video. After uploading the video, this is the sort of interface that you'll get afterwards. Now, if you want to change your YouTube video to a Facebook post, what you need to do is, we need to go to the settings, and here in the artboard size, click on this drop down and you can select the various options that we have for Facebook. Your video is simply now ready to be uploaded on Facebook. You can just export the file and upload it. This is how simply you can transform your YouTube videos to Facebook posts. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.